Welcome everybody. All right, let's go ahead and let's make our educational game. Now, if you've never made an educational game or you've never thought to make an educational game, I highly recommend that you go and at least think about it and go and try and make one. They're actually, you can learn quite a bit by making them, and they do kind of sell well in the App Store. So I highly recommend it. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to add in our game here. We'll call this math game for iPhone. And I give it a production number as well. Go ahead and push next and create here. And let's just hop right in to do this. So we're going to delete our extraneous code, just like this here. And this one isn't too difficult to make. Now, that's the thing about educational games is that the difficulty is more in the design in the target audience than it is in the actual programming. And for those of you who are hardcore into coding and think, I don't need to think about design, I don't need to think about target audience, I just need to get from A to B, I highly recommend that you rethink that position and really start to learn who your target market is and who you're designing for. It's super important, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to add in a couple variables. We'll call this button 0, make that equal to an SK sprite node, and we'll call this var button 1, make it equal to an SK sprite node, and there we go. We're going to add in an LBL main, make that an SK label node, and we're going to add in a var LBL score SK label node as well. We're going to add in a touch node, make it equal to an SK node, and there we go. We're going to add in a color array here. So we're going to say color array, and let's add in a few of these here. So we'll copy and paste that maybe 6 times. Delete the last one here, and we'll make this green. We'll call this orange. What we'll do, red, blue, purple, pink, and yellow. Okay, and then we'll just delete that last one here. And so this is going to be the array of colors that we print. We're going to add in a var called random color, so we're randomly going to be selecting one of these here. And we're also going to add in a button correct, and we're going to choose which button is going to be correct. All right, so what we're also going to do is we're going to add in a correct color, make that equal to UI color. Okay, so we're going to add in the correct color. We're also going to add in an incorrect color, make it equal to UI color. Okay, we're going to add in a off black color, make that equal to UI color, and we'll make that RGBA value 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 1.0. Okay, and we'll make it a var. We'll call this off white color, make that equal to UI color 0.98, 0.98, and 0.98, and 1.0. Okay, and we're going to call this var button size equal to CG size, and the width and height, well, let's make it 200 by 150 for now, and we'll see how that goes. All right, we'll add in a var score. All right, just like that here. Okay, and for the most part, that is what we need to do in order to get started. This includes a tutorial.